Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and I am so excited. I just got my kit from Knitpal. It's the one where for those of you who are new to my channel, back last year, I believe it was in August or September, I designed a cowl for Knitpal. Knitpal sells their kits, their yarn, their hooks, everything they sell on Amazon. And so they asked me to design a cowl for them to include in their kit. Now, Knitpal has the right to the design for 2 years. After 2 years, I can renegotiate and I can get the rights back. So I cannot do a tutorial on this or anything like that. But what you can do is you go to Knitpal. It's called the Weekend Wrap Kit. And I'm covering all this up because there's parts of it you cannot see unless you get the kit. So, but on this card in your kit, you get this card, and on the back is a QR code that you scan, and it will take you to the pattern and a video tutorial of how to do this cowl. And there's also a code on the front that I have covered up that you have to put in to access the tutorial. Okay, so it has a downloadable pattern, it has a video tutorial, and there's tips from real makers on this. So there's also an email that included on the card if you have questions that you can email and ask questions. So what comes in the kit? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let me open up. I had everything else opened up. I should have opened this up first, but you get 2 skeins, which is plenty of yarn to make this cowl. You get 2 skeins of the Knitpal Cotton to the Core worsted. Okay, and this is in the color Pearl White. And it's a beautiful color. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's like a cream color, and then there's little hints swirled in it, just little touches and hints of like a tan woven through it. But this has 218 yards and 100 grams. It is a 65% cotton, 35% acrylic worsted weight. It recommends using either an I to a K, a 5.5 to 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, or a 4.5 to 5.5 millimeter knitting needles is what is recommended. But this is so soft, and the cowl that it makes is just it's so amazing. But you get 2 skeins of the Cotton to the Core worsted, okay, from Knitpal. You get your 6 millimeter crochet hook. You get a pack of stitch markers, and you get a tapestry needle. Okay, you get a tapestry needle. Now, I personally do not care for the plastic needles. There probably may be some that do. So I have my own metal tapestry needles that I will probably use. But guys, just the yarn alone, the kit is $29.99. Just the yarn alone is $26. Plus, you're getting a hook, a needle, and stitch markers, and a pattern for like $3 more, and all of that's included. So this is a very good price for this kit. Okay, so I'm so excited to try this out, and I hope that you will go check it out too. Knitpal has lots of different yarns. The kit, like mine, they sent me the Pearl White, but you can also get it in, and let me look it up. I know there's a brown. I should have already had this looked up. Um, Let me pull this up real quick. Well, Why is it not letting me pull this up? Let me put this in. Weekend wrap. Here we go. Yeah. Let me click on this so I can tell you. You can choose, well, yeah, here we go. It is not giving you the choice. I thought you could choose. It is not giving you the choice of colors. Evidently, you just purchase the kit and they will decide what color to put in it. So you're either, when you get the kit, you're going to either get the pearl white that I have, or you will get, um, it doesn't tell the name of the colors. I wish it did. Um, Let me see. I might be able to find it. Let's see. Let me put it in here. Cotton to the core, worsted. If I spell it correctly, it might come up. Okay, here we go. You can get it in the pearl white, uh, caramel brown, which is this color right here, caramel brown, or where is it? Well, it's not showing it, but there's a pink that you can get. I can't remember the exact name of it. So it's a random, you're just going to get a nice little surprise when you order the kit as to what color they put in the kit for you. But again, you're getting 2 skeins of the yarn, the hook, the needle, and stitch markers. And guys, it's well worth the price. So I'm so excited. Um, I don't know when they're going to ask me to design again. I know that they've told me that they will be asking me again for another design. It's just whenever, now that they have these kits out, possibly that may be happening soon. I do not know. But guys, I am so excited. And I know there are some of you who have already ordered the kit and have told me. So thank you for that. And I am going to have in the description box below, I am going to have the link directly to this kit if you would like to purchase it and try the cowl out. If you make this cowl, I would love, if you make this cowl, I would love to see pictures of your finished cowl. So head over, click on that link, and that helps the channel get a few pennies. And even if you don't purchase the kit, if you just click on the link, I get a little something just because you click the link. But I would really appreciate it if you bought the kit. Um, and like the Knitpal page, that helps too. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you get this kit. Let me know. It's a neat pattern, and yeah, give it a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. So I will see you Monday, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.